What's up, what's up, what's up? Souls around here doing my very first social cam thing. You know, I'm in the neighborhood. Y'all can see all of that good stuff. Yeah, man. There's a whole lot of social networking stuff, but yeah, man. I'm still here. To all the folks out there who might have been, who have been hitting me up about what's going on with the band, Got Soul, and just when we're gonna do another show. I almost got hit by a car. Like when we're gonna do another show, we're actually chilling on performing a lot right now. We may do a couple appearances, but nothing serious. Why? Because we are recording, ladies and gentlemen. We want to make sure that we give you a very good product, and so that's gonna take us some time, So you've been rocking with us when we were at Indulge for Just Soul Tuesdays. Make sure you keep rocking with us. We definitely gonna have some good music coming out very soon, towards the beginning of the year. Not gonna give you a date yet, but just know that we got some good music coming, and I really appreciate all of you guys who came out every week and supported us, supported what we were doing. It's a movement, so take some time. But that was my whole spill, That's my first ever social cam. More to come. I'm gonna go get a haircut. It's about that time. I'm all bundled up and stuff. So, peace. See y'all soon.